Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I am going to share with you a really easy quick project that I made for my grandbabies. I only have 3, but I made five of these. So these are called shelf sitters. These are from Family Dollar and they're only $1. So I bought 4 of them, but I needed 5, so I got something from Dollar Tree to make the 5th one. So all I did was buy the plastic jar from Dollar Tree, and I chose the one with the red lid. And this is a candle holder, and I think this one holds like a tall candlestick. And I painted it white because it was clear and I wanted more color in there. All I did was glue everything together with E6000, and that was it. Or I painted the candle holder, glued everything together, and that was it, guys. This is gonna hold candy for the grandkids. I made a bow, and I just thought that bow went perfect with just to make it really festive and, you know, fun colors. And I had these wood pieces in my stash, so I just glued a little wood piece in the center of each of the jars. And like I said, this is going to hold candy in the little jar, and then they can use it as a, you know, decor piece. So this is so cute, guys. This is adorable. And it's so easy to make. Oh my gosh, it's easy. So I had the Santa, and then I got the snowman, and again, they all have the green bow, and this one's the snowman. And then I also got the little penguin, and they're so adorable. I just think they're so cute. I love those little characters. So here is the penguin. And then I did get the reindeer. So here is the reindeer. And I went to 2 different Family Dollars because I saw one of these at one of the Family Dollars, and I wanted 5. So I went to a couple different ones, but I mean, like, they were gone. So you don't really have to go to Family Dollar to put a topper on this. I went to Dollar Tree, and it was out of my area, and I had never seen these. So for the last one, I found this ornament, and for the ornament, of course, I put it together like the other jars. But for the ornament, this is ceramic, I guess, and this is L for, it has an L for one of my grandsons, and I did tie a tie on the top, a hanging element for the, of course it won't go on a tree, but just to complete the look, I had this black and white check ribbon that I got last year. And so I went ahead and put the ribbon at the bottom as well, and I put this little guy here at the bottom of this one. I didn't use the plain wooden one, but guys, these were so easy to make. They are so much fun to put on a shelf, and I am hoping that they enjoy these because they are so adorable. I just think they are so cute. So there are the 5, and so it was $3 each. So that was $15 for a whole family plus one. So because I'm going to give one to my son and my daughter-in-law, and then they have 2 children, and then my other son has 1 son of his own. And so yeah, that is what I'm gonna put together for my grandkids. I want to stuff it with candy and let them have it. I'm gonna give this to them on Thanksgiving so that they can kick off their Christmas season. All right, guys, thought I'd show you really quick how easy it is to make these and how adorable they turn out. Okay, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I will talk to you later. Have a great day, guys.